Hello everyone, this is Curtis in the kitchen cooking something this morning. What I'm gonna have, well, this morning I'm gonna fix me some waffles, and I'm gonna share with y'all of the product that I use to fix my waffles with. Now I'm gonna have something else with these waffles, but the product that I use is what I want to share is this right here. This is Krusteaz light and fluffy bagel waffle mix. I use this to fix some waffles. It tastes pretty good, y'all, when I get through with them. And the only thing this required is 1 egg, I think a cup of water, and 3 tablespoons of just some oil. I'm gonna use some vegetable oil there. Well, not the vegetable oil, the virgin oil. That's what I'm gonna be using. And I'm gonna be using my little waffles here, the little mini waffles that I have. And actually I had picked up one, and then later on I picked up another one. I thought that, hey, I can fix 2 waffles, you know, in a timely manner versus waiting for the other one to finish up. So I said, well, why not just pick up another one? I mean, reasonable price. I think it was something like what I pay, $8 or something. I think I got the things at Walmart. Anyway, well, let's take a look at them. I'm heating them up right now, so let's take a look at them. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. These right here, these here 2 right here. And normally what I do is, you know, I take some of this here Pam spray, and I just spray. Let me see if I can open this up. Let me get this top off. There we go. Got the top off. I just take and I spray them so that, you know, it won't it won't stick. Just spray a little bit down there, so when you pour the waffle mix in there, it's not gonna stick. So you just heat them up, spray a little bit in there, just like that. And also gives a little flavor too to them when you add that in there. So just kind of let it heat up with that in there, and then, you know, just pour your waffle mix in there. But let's get to it. Let me get over here and get the bowl. I have the bowl here, so let me see if I can get to it and get the egg in there and the water in there. Let's see if I can basically get some ingredients in this bowl here so we can have some of these waffles this morning. All right, hold on a minute. Just let me get to it. Gonna have said we only need 3 teaspoons. This right here, that's 1, 2, 3. Now what I'm mixing up, it only will take, well, you can make about, I think about 3 to 4. I only need basically 2 for me. That's all I need. So let me open this up. Say, let me open it up. Let me get my, yeah, I got my scissors here. So let's open this up. We're gonna prepare some of these waffles here. So let's pour some of this. I'm just gonna use about a cup of it and make some good waffles this morning. Yeah. There we go. That's gonna be enough for me. I'm gonna pour that in there. Okay, got that. Now, also I want to share, it has all the instructions on the box here. Basically, you can follow it. It'll just tell you what all you need, water and all, and you know, the egg and oil. And it tells you right here how many for, you know, if you want 2 to 3 for 2 to 3 people, you know, 1 and 1.5 cup to 2/3 cups of water, and you know, 1 egg. Depending on how many people you're gonna fix some waffles for, you know, you can put all of that more mix into it. Let me put some water in here. Okay, I got my water right here, y'all. So we're just gonna take and pour some of that water in there, and we're just gonna, you know, kind of mix it up here. So you can kind of make it thick, or you can make it fluffy, any kind of way you want to make it. You know, I'm making a mess here. Think I got enough. This is gonna be good though. I didn't want to. I was trying to cut back. I don't want to make too many of them. I didn't want to have a lot of mix left over. So that's why I was just kind of being cautious of how much mix I put in there. I think I put, you know, right at 1/2 of a cup of it mix in there. So just want to stir this around until we get it where it dissolves all of the mix up. You know, all the ingredients that they have in these waffle mix here. And once we get it all, you know, completed here, and then we're gonna we'll take and put it over there in the little waffles, mini waffles. Okay, I think this is gonna be good right here. Look like I done have, well, look like I got it all stirred up here, completed. So you can see right here. Okay, so that's good. Hold on. Okay, now we're gonna take this waffle mix and place some of the mix into the little waffles. Okay, pour a little bit there. We're gonna pour a little bit over here. Okay, then we're just gonna take and shut it down, and we're gonna give it a few minutes, and I'll be back and we'll see how these waffles look. Okay, I'm back, and I wanted to share with y'all the way the waffles turn out. Let's take a look at them. I've already put some on a plate, but let's take a look at it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. As you can see right here, I'm gonna have some grits, eggs, sausage, and some of these waffles. And I'm also gonna be using some of this here Miss Butterworth waffle. Well, I use it on my waffles, y'all. It tastes good. And just to show you the way they turn out, here the way they look. I made some more of them, put some more over there, and so that's the way it turned out on the waffle. You know, little mini waffles. So they are all good. Let me grab one. I'm gonna add it to the stack right here. Oh boy, now we all piled up. So now we can take and put some of this syrup on here. We're gonna syrup it down, syrup it down. We're gonna have another good breakfast, y'all. All right, all righty. So that's the way it's looking. That is the way it looks right there. Okay, so yeah, it looks good with the pan sausage and all. Ooh, oh yeah, definitely a good breakfast. What do y'all say about it? What do y'all say? We got some sausage, Eggs, easy over egg right there. Some of them. Oh man. That's where you get out in the morning and just fix you a good breakfast there. Oh yeah. So I gotta dig in, y'all. I'm just sharing this here with y'all, but now I'm ready to dig in and try some of this here. Yeah, we know we gotta do a little taste test on it. Give me a minute. Let me place the camera so I can get a little taste test and tell y'all how this actually tastes here. Okay, hold on a minute. Let me set it down here. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna do the little taste test of these here waffles here, and I'm gonna see if I can. Hey, it's a stack of them. I'm gonna see how. Oh man, see if I can break some of them loose here, so I can just soak up some of this syrup in there. Yeah, here we go. Got a little bit of it. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, that's good. So this waffle mix is actually some good mix here. Now I've tried it before, so I'm trying it again. I'm just sharing it with y'all. Hey, some of these grits over here, and man, try a little bit of pan sauce. Oh yeah, good pan sauce there. Get some of this egg too. Get some of that egg off of there. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, this here is good, man. Let's say. Good stack, yep. Stack of these waffles, y'all. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna let's see if I can get this here all finished up, and head off for my day here. But I just wanted to share my little breakfast here for this morning. Got some other stuff I'm gonna prepare. Oh yeah. Nothing like a good home fixed meal. Oh yeah. Anyway, y'all stay tuned in. I'll be back soon with some more food that I will prepare. I'm gonna finish this up now. Gotta go.